Hi, I'm Frank from Terra, and today we're going to speak about the 4 pillars of engine management. Engine management isn't just about one sensor doing one job. It's a complex web where 4 key disciplines influence one another. These disciplines are emissions, pressure, position, and temperature. Today we're breaking down some of the fault codes you may see within these 4 areas and why accurate sensor data is your best friend in the workshop. Let's start with position. Fault codes such as P0011 to P0025, these measure the cam and crank position correlation. A pro tip, you need 100% accurate measurements before you can start to identify if there is any deeper mechanical faults. Next up, we have temperature. Take P0549, which points to a high signal from the exhaust gas temperature sensor on bank 2 cylinders. This raises the question, is the temperature actually high, or does the system just think that it is? Always check the specific cylinder and bank indicated by the fault code before investigating any deeper. And next up is pressure. One of the most common fault codes you will see is P0472. Exhaust pressure sensor, position A, circuit low. In essence, the exhaust pressure sensor's data is not matching up with the rest of the system's pressure. Now don't just blame the sensor immediately. This could be caused by physical air leaks in the system or a faulty reading coming from other sensors. And finally, emissions. Fault code P0402 is an interesting one. It specifically indicates that the flow from the EGR valve is too high. It could mean that the EPS we just spoke about has a fault, or the EGR valve could be remaining open too long. From this, the negative impact upon emissions is clear. So, investigating these fault codes can sometimes feel like finding a needle in a haystack. Timing can affect emissions, emissions can affect pressure, and position can affect temperature. This is why having one OE quality part supplier, such as NTK, is a must in these 4 areas. It protects the investigation, the repair, and most importantly, your reputation.